What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James Z. Today we're going to talk about NIO. I want to go over a quick technical analysis that I'm seeing on the daily and the intraday. Also, a news catalyst that could propel this thing that just came out. I want to look into that really fast. But before I do that, man, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything I find interesting in the stock market. And I'm open to share that with anybody willing to listen. So that being said, guys, let's just get right into it. As we see right here, NIO. So ever since we had that direct offering come out at 39, we've been on a straight run. So anybody interested to buy this intraday, just to give you guys a heads up, if you want to buy it at the market open, don't panic if you see it drop. Obviously, we've been having these runs, market open, drops, then runs back up, market open, drops, runs back up, market open, drops, runs back up, runs, and now it has a drop after hours. So, just if you're thinking about buying this now, which in my mind and in my opinion, it is still a good buy at this price. But, just don't panic if it drops a couple dollars on you when you purchase it. It's just the trend of the chart. We're finally getting a bullish trend and we're starting to get a pickup again. But the important technicals that I find are right here in this range. So the resistance in the 48s right about here. Once it breaks that level, I believe that's when we're going to finally see that push back up in the 50s and then retest this 54 and 57. And then sometime in January, we should be in the 60s as long as everything continues to go the direction I believe it's going to go. And we're finally starting to see that ramp up. And as you can see, all the volume has been consistent each and every day ever since here. Look at that volume right underneath here. It's all right around the same level. Buy. They're just ramping up. I believe BlackRock Inc. just purchased a little more shares of this company as well. It's just another great catalyst to solidify your position here. Nothing but great things to come. In the previous video, I did my 12-month forecast, and I believe this is going to be 10x in 12 months, potentially sooner. NIO has NIO Day coming up on January 9th. Another great catalyst that could propel this stock next month. Also releasing their sedan model of their electric vehicle, which will propel this company next month. Just more catalysts to come. But I wanted to get into this news a little bit. The first news was, Trump signs a bill that could lead to delisting of Chinese stocks, including NIO, Li, Xpeng, and Alibaba. Obviously, we already all went through that delisting scare, which is part of the reason why we've seen a big sell-off in this area in those few days. But I mean, that news is already, priced in. Everybody already heard that. Just because you signed the bill. Well, once President Biden's in there, Brian Deese is going to be his economic advisor. Brian Deese is part of BlackRock. BlackRock owns 53 million shares in NIO. So I don't see NIO going nowhere. They ain't going to delist it. But they did post some news, if you can see here, which they sent a link to, Weekend Reads, right here. And so you could click that link, but I just want to show right here. So while 2020 has been a year for most people would prefer to regret, investors in the U.S. stock market have fared well, provided they were able to avoid selling into the market crash during March. The action for Tesla Inc. and NIO Inc. have been a rocket ride, that's for sure. With Tesla up nearly 7-fold, you might be shocked to see NIO up more than 10-fold, especially when you see both stocks were down for 2020 in March. So again, NIO and Tesla are on the ride, man, and NIO's going to be right up there with Tesla. I've said it in previous videos, and I will say it again. I believe NIO will sometime in the near future reach those Tesla levels. Because of their market, man. China owns 55% of the entire global market of the EVs. I mean, think about that, man. That is huge. And then, with NIO now moving into the European market with the Marco Polo project and potentially moving over to the U.S. market, especially with Brian Deese in office now, going to be the economic advisor to Biden. I mean, come on, we could easily see that transition for NIO coming over to America as well. And then as you can see right here, Jeff Reeves makes the case that NIO is a better electric vehicle stock play for 2021. So again, just like the title says, buy NIO stock instead of Tesla. When we're talking a long-term play, obviously Tesla's already priced in the 600, close to the $700 range per share. That is after their split. If they didn't have that split, they would be up there in the $3,000 range right now. And compared to NIO's trading at $46 a share right now. So we have huge growth, huge margins of improvement for NIO. And I don't see NIO slowing down anytime soon. So just to have news catalysts like that, and then everything else that's coming soon in January and more to come. I can't wait till the fourth quarter report comes out, because I guarantee you we're going to have 100% year over year growth like we've seen every other quarter so far in deliveries. You know, I mean, it's just amazing what this company continues to do, and they're going to continue to dominate and continue to push. I mean, they have a huge cult-like following in China as it is, very similar to Tesla in America. And, I want to finally see these levels on the technicals break. Once it breaks this 48, we're on a clear path back to 54. Once it breaks 54, I see it clearly breaking the 57 and run into the 60s. We should be clear the 60s by next month for sure. Definitely by next month for sure, we should be making new highs. So again, just wanted to go over a quick technical analysis on NIO. I wanted to go over the news that just came out today. Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday, the 19th of December. So just wanted to go over that news real quick. But again, guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about NIO. You think when it breaks 48, it's going to run? What are the levels you think that it's going to take for this thing to finally propel? What do you think the catalysts are that are going to make this stock propel? What do you think is going to happen on January 9th, NIO Day? Is it going to be priced in prior to January 9th? Or do you think after January 9th, we're going to get a huge catalyst to boost this thing even higher? Leave a comment. Let me know. I'll respond as soon as possible. Again, if you watched this far, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It's very much appreciated. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place for you to do that. So again, guys, just a quick review on NIO. That's going to be it for today. Till next time, guys, I'm out. Peace.